Yeah, back in the DAY, all I did was get high. Me and the homies getting faded, skipping class at Venice High. I was just a youngin' with my whole life in front of me. A whole lot of partying and then driving around drunkenly. I probably guess a lot hasn't changed, but in my brain, still trying to maintain while doing my own thing. With the money on my mind now, I'm getting mine now. You talking shit, don't let me find out.
Cause I'm up now, I'm so high if you're hating. I don't mind, you're just wasting your time, cause I'm getting mine, yeah, I'm getting mine.
And for them haters, I ain't got the patience to deal with them ignoramus statements you be making. Call me impatient, bitch, I'm blatant, I ain't hating, I'm on one. I ain't tripping, I got funds. Put that payment on that BM and then drove into the sun. What you want? Switch from rum to J-Mo, sailboat and a bottle. Get my dick sucked on the way home, it feels like I won the lotto. I'm impossible to impress, and obnoxious, kicking it fresh. Just hold on, let me get 1 second, I'ma show you what I'ma do next. Woo! I'm about to kill it, so they say that I'm the dope is. You talking all that dumb shit, ain't fucking up my focus. I know this is probably the only thing that matters. Kick all that dope shit till my pockets get fatter. I'm good, I'm good.
Do what I did to get free. Do what I did to do me. And everybody sees it. I'm the one who dreamed it. Do what I did to get free. Do what I did to do me.
That's right.
And everybody sees it. I'm the one who dreamed it.
I can't wait to walk up in the crib, say mom I made it. Take her to the dealership and let her pick a favorite. Can't wait to look at pops in the eyes, stop telling lies. I said I got it on lock, so quit your 9 to 5. I've been dreaming of this moment since a youngin'. Check into the hotel and tip them all 100. Order up some room service, homies chillin', grubbin'. And I jump inside the Lambo and stun like it ain't nothing. Shit, that sound
Cause I'm up
good.
now.